In front of me is LENOVO Tab One, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. If you wanna multitask on this LENOVO, here's how I do it on mine. You can open split screen by two ways. First is my favorite one. Simply launch an app. Click on those three dots at the top of it and select split screen, which is this icon, the second one from the left. Now click on any second app you wanna use and enjoy operating both at once. To go back from this view, you can either go into background apps and swipe both, or hold middle of those apps, which is this white line, and drag one of them all the way to the right or to the left. Then tap on home button to close remaining one. Second way to open your apps in split screen is to launch one of your apps in the background. Go into background apps and hold it. Then tap on split screen in this tiny pop-up and tap on the second app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!